listen and circle. Teacher will tell some animals, listen to it, and you circle. And you circle an animal, honey, okay? Which
Okay.
that's right. Okay. Ready, steady, go. Number one. A bird. A bird. Well done. That's right. So, right. Which animal is this, honey? Which animal is this?
This bird.
Yes. Can we say that this is a bird?
This is a bird.
That's right. Honey, what do you think? Is this bird small or big?
Small.
Small. And please tell me, what's the color of this bird? What's the color of this bird?
Blue.
Blue. Do you like this bird?
No.
No, you don't like it? Okay. Can we say, no, I don't?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's see. Listen to the next one. Number 2. A tiger. Please tell me, is a tiger a dangerous animal, honey? Is it a dangerous animal?
No.
No, you think
Yes.
it? Yes, I see. And is a bird dangerous animal? Is it a dangerous animal? A bird?
No.
No, it's not. Is it a cute? Is it a cute animal? A bird?
No.
No, it's not cute. Please tell me, a panda? Is a panda cute or dangerous? Panda. Honey, panda. Yes. Is it cute or dangerous? What is
Cute.
Cute? Yes. Can we say a panda is a cute animal?
A panda is a cute animal.
That's right. Well done, sweetheart. Okay. And Rain, please tell me, honey,